What is going on YouTube? A little unboxing video of a H2b offset flywheel made by Jamie Davila and TILTON. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, my apologies. Short batch of these have been made. This is an offset flywheel, and this is just an unpackaging video to show you what it looks like. Alright, there it is. Pretty sweet. Pink wrap. That. This flywheel is made out of chrome moly, and it takes the regular H22 flywheel bolts. This is for H2b setup. Does not require the spacer. That is what this fixes, basically. There it is. As you can see, flywheel is was designed to use the OEM H series flywheel bolts. You can use the ARP or the regular stock Honda ones, OEM. And there we go. Comes with the pilot bearing since it's B series. Got the part number in case we need to order a new one, but it's already pressed in with a snap ring, ready to go. Yep. Some part numbers, that's pretty cool. In case we ever need to replace something. Awesome. Bam! There it is. It's like, looks like he just left the box for us so we can maybe have the part number, I guess. Anyways, this is hard to do one-handed. Alright, it's a 10-pound flywheel. Let's get this out of here. Put that down real quick. There it is. Sweet. Bearing on that side, and it should be a snap ring on this side. There it is. You can see that offset because the H2b does have that adapter plate, and you need to get that additional plate to make up for the difference on the crank to the transmission. Really sweet piece. Looks like we got timing marks already on here. That's nice. I wonder if they're marked on here with the paint. Probably not, but not a big deal. We can always do that. Paint pen is your friend. Anyways, there's that offset right there. Sweet piece. Limited production. I think he might have like 4 left by the time no, actually he's got 6 left or so. By the time I post this, they might all be gone though. So, Jamie Davila on Facebook. If you need to hit him up, so you can get one of these. Get them before they're gone because they won't last. And this is probably the last time they're making them. All made in the USA, 100% legit, worth every penny. Because I won't tell you how much I paid, but once if you figure out how much I paid for this versus destroying my whole crank and motor and everything, the difference is huge. It is worth it. So anyways, made in the USA, and I don't know, I bet you a couple years, 1320 or whatever, we'll get a hand on it and make a rep one. But for now, this is what we got. Quality parts. Hopefully I can use my single disc on it. We'll see. If not, I'll have to get a twin disc, but whatever. Anyways, a little update. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but been busy. Anyways, figured I'd post this. Later.